continue of my previous video which I tried to record on my Windows, and on like I had 12 minutes of video, and funny enough that was also developed by Microsoft, and I was only able to record 6 minutes. I don't know, on compiler or something it only recorded 6 minutes. I was using OBS Studio to record the audio, and I lost my like 6 minutes. I don't know where that went, and so in my previous video there will be like only 6 minutes of video, and in this one I will be talking rest of the part. I believe this may be less than 6 minutes or more than 6 minutes. We will see. I was saying like I was saying please avoid. I don't have any like hate or some kind of thing with Microsoft, but just try to avoid using Microsoft products. Not because like you don't know. Suppose you have invested so much money in some kind of tools, and you don't know when that tool is going to deprecate it. So what will happen? You will lose your money, right? You have to transition to different tools and that kind of things, because there is no going to be any support or something like that one. So in the end, the user who is using the tools is going to have to pay for the loss, right? Suppose you I believe Polyglot Notebook is also used in Azure Data Factory, and since this is going to be deprecated, and also in I believe if I can see, this is I believe also deprecated from the Azure Data Factory also. Like I have in my previous video I have shown that like they are also going to support for Azure Data Factory, and trying to convince user to use file-based system, which is like absurd. And so this is the point I wanted to convey, and from now I will be mostly I will first get confident in my Python language. And also sorry for anyone who have followed my instruction earlier that use Polyglot Notebook for some kind of task. Sorry for that one, because I should not have said or something like that one, but we don't know, right? And one more thing I might have suggested about Aspire project. Currently Microsoft is developing Aspire project, and which is I believe 1 or 2 years old, I believe. And I don't know that when that product is also going to deprecated, because that this also Aspire is being developed by Microsoft. So I don't have any doubt when that product is going to be deprecated. So because since Polyglot Notebook has been like published 5 years ago, and within 5 years they deprecated this product. So you got my point. I'm just trying to say like avoid Microsoft tech stack and that kind of stuff. And my primary language was like, my first language was Java, second language was Python, and my C# was my third language. And out of all the three languages, I mostly like C#. This is the reason I actually like Microsoft, because of the C# language. And because of this disappointments and that kind of stuff, I will mostly try to avoid Microsoft tech stacks and that kind of Microsoft tech stack and overall products, Microsoft products. I will be using C#, but like I will be transitioning to Python. And like whenever I am going to create any project or something, I will totally try to try to create that thing in Python if I am able to do. Otherwise I will be going to C#, because of obvious reason, because I am more comfortable in C#. But I will try to do in Python. So that's all I wanted to say. And thank you for watching, and please do not lose your like I will try to in future I will generally try to avoid using Microsoft products and that kind of stuff. Okay, thank you, bye. This is my actually and this is my Mac laptop. This is Mac Mini, and I'm recording this video on Mac Mini. And earlier I was recording on Windows, and that finally got didn't, I don't know what happened. Out of 12 minutes it only recorded for a few minutes. So I will be moving, like I will be transition full Windows to, I will boot it up to like flash drive into Ubuntu. Like I have a little bit of experience in Ubuntu, so okay, thank you.